What is good, y'all boys? If you're new here, welcome. But if you've been here before, you already know the vibes. Welcome back, man. I didn't record the intro to this video, so I'm about to just go ahead and hop into it. But as you can see, look at this beauty. My goodness. My goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. So, we lit. Alright, we just picked up the Z. Bro, I don't know what's up with that glare. Hold up. It's a little bit better, but yeah, we just went ahead and picked up the Z. So let's get down, you feel me, to the meat and potatoes. See the door. Obviously y'all can't feel it, but it's smooth as hell. I only told him to do that quarter panel with this door and the hatch, but he ended up taking care of me and he did this quarter panel too. This junk, bro, it's perfect, bro. And then the spoiler that was on it, it's inside the car, but I already have another spoiler for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. I might test fit that today because I went ahead and opened the box and it looks immaculate, so I can't wait to throw that on. But yeah, bro, if y'all remember, if y'all don't, there was a huge cracks of Bondo and everything right there. It is all gone now. The car is completely smooth. Even under here, I know y'all can't see it too well, but I'll try to show y'all. This is a lot smoother than what it was. I mean, I gotta put that back in. But yeah, this is a lot smoother than what it was. I don't know how well y'all could see, but it had like thick, chunky pieces of Bondo, which I assume was probably because of rust. It looks 10, 30 times better now. Now that we got that out the way, we're finally getting to the final stage of this car. As far as cosmetic wise, gonna go ahead and start wrapping it, I say next week. I already have a new bumper, as y'all know. I'm on the lookout for some fenders on Marketplace. Hopefully I can find some. And then I need to take this off. And then yeah, bro, go ahead and start wrapping soon. The only thing is, bro, there's like dust all over the car, so I gotta take like a vacuum or something and just clean it up. Really, I just gotta wash the car, period. But man, oh man, I ain't gonna lie though, I'm messing with the little cream peach color or whatever. I'm looking messing with it. Obviously, the car's in multiple pieces right now. It's one of those different colors. Yeah, hopefully we can start wrapping the car soon, and then we can finally get this car where I want it to be. I would say sanding the car down was a huge step in this process. And I've been over here just taking pics, taking videos all around the car. I didn't do that with the Q when it was stock. I regret that junk every day, bro. Cause I have a few, very few amount of pictures I can look back at, but it's not much. I literally got that car, and literally straight when I got that car, I went like from the dealership, I went to go like, I think it was like an hour, 30 minutes down the street to go pick up a wing. And I already had parts ordered the next day. Like it was bad, bro, it was bad. So obviously it's not bone stock. I do have a good amount of parts on it already, but as far as like, you feel me, cosmetic, how clapped it is, I'm trying to take progress pics and make sure that I have content. So stuff to look back on, cause man, this car is about to go through a serious transformation. I say this wrap is about to be a serious part of that. So yeah, I'm about to take the car home, and then we'll see what else we get into for the rest of the week. I don't got nothing planned as of now, but I'll figure something out. Alright, so right now, he's about to go ahead and take off this little piece up top. I don't really know what it's held in by. Hopefully, it's not a hole through the roof. Praying it's not, but I'm about to go ahead and drop the headliner because I'm sure it's like some type of antenna that's like connected. So I'm gonna drop the headliner, go ahead and see if I can get this off, try to like pry it off or something, and then yeah, bro, see we go from there. All right, so we got the headliner out. Turns out I didn't even need to remove it, but it is what it is. Since I got it out though, I'm gonna probably just go ahead and paint it one time. I'll probably just paint it black, but I was working on this. We got this out. Looks like I'm about to say. But yeah, it doesn't look like there's any rust or anything. I just don't think so. If anything, it's like real like light surface rust. Yeah, it was just held on by 3M tape, so I could just go ahead and clean this up, and then we will have a smooth roof for the most part. Finally, because I don't know what the hell this man was thinking with this.
Several days later.
I'm not too sure what was the last thing I recorded, honestly. It's been low-key a little minute since I picked the camera up, but we have been wrapping the Z. We're still in the process of it, but Rosby still has my rear bumper, bro, so I'm waiting to get that back. And then I need to get a new front bumper. I can't really decide though which one I want. I might just go with the stock bumper, throw a little lip on it or whatever, but Bro, the wrap's been coming out really good, bro. As you can see, like, this junk dead looks like paint, bro. Dead looks like paint. This junk been coming out really good. We did the quarter panel. We did a door. We did this other fender right here. By the way, we got new fenders too. This is new fender that we had got, and then we already wrapped this one. So, but yeah, bro, the junk's been coming out really good. We did basically this whole side, like I said, and then we did also this quarter panel, and we did the hood. It's really crazy to see this quarter panel in this condition, bro, because as y'all know, bro, that junk was ridiculous, bro. Yeah, and then, like I said, we did the hood. I didn't do the hood. It was my girl and other homie. He had did it. It's not perfect. I would say these sides came out better, but it's still really good, though. And I'm trying to think, like, could we still have, like, a decent bit of wrap left right here? We still got a decent bit of wrap left. We'll see what happens, because, like I said, we still got to do the bumper, that whole side pretty much, and then the hatch. And this bumper too, so I don't know, we're gonna see. But I don't know if y'all peep, bro. Got a new lens. I don't know how it really like looks on camera. At least it's way wider now. I've been talking about getting a wide angle lens for the longest, and this junk is doing wonders right now, bro. I feel like I wish it was a little bit wider, but it's still decent though. It's still putting in that work. But yeah, I see, also as you can see, we got the headliner out, so I want to do something custom with that. Probably wrapping some type of suede, not 100% sure on the color. And then got 8 pillars up there that I need to put on. We already put on these side skirts. I'm gonna just get them fitting better, but that junk looks dumb tough, bro. Trust, bro, we cooking, bro. We is cooking. We also gotta fit on these side skirts, or on that side. I ain't gonna lie, fitting on Duraflex parts is not fun, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep wrapping the car, and then probably later in this video, you feel me, I'll go ahead and do the reveal and stuff like that. Or maybe next video, I don't know, we're gonna see.
The next day.
What's good, y'all boys? We actually hopping back in this because I need to go get a bumper. It's like literally the last piece I need. I replaced the side skirts, I replaced the fenders, I replaced the rear bumper, which Rod Speed has, which I need to fucking give back to me. But besides that, and then yeah, bro, the hood. So literally the front bumper is the last thing I need, bro. So about to go pick that up right now. We about to make a mean road trip. That's why I'm taking my OG whip. So brand new 2026, I think. Big Highlander. But yeah, we about to go ahead and go pick up the front bumper. That junk is about 2 hours away in Fort Myers, but it's probably the best condition front bumper I found. And that bit is only $80, so fuck it. Gonna pick up the road trip, and then yeah, bro, I'll pick up the camera and go get it.
3 hours later.
Yes, sir. Bag secured. I already got face the angle. I'm not moving it up, but finally got the bumper. We are in the middle of nowhere in Fort Myers. So about to head back home now, but I am dumb hyped because it's literally the last piece I needed, bro. So get back to the crib, gonna throw this back on, and yeah, bro, it's up. It's up. That junk was hell of a drive, but the junk was a trooper, bro. And now I gotta get back home with a 2-hour drive. I am so happy I don't work tomorrow, bro, but man, this year's almost done, bro. I hope y'all as excited as me, bro. This junk finna go crazy.
Squad, so we had to come to another gas station because that shit was hot. I can't fucking vlog for shit. Oh my god. Look at these kids. They ain't got no
What, school?
Like,
no, they don't.
Why was she looking over here like that? Ain't nobody recording you, shorty.
Freaking old head.
That big ass truck.
Yeah, that big clean.
Yay!
I got money. Look at
Oh, yeah! That shit's nice.
Oh, where is the boat?
Oh, what the fuck?
What is that, though?
Nah, it's a boat.
I know. I think
It looks like a Camaro.
Yeah, like our Corvette or something.
What the f?
Yo, watch your mouth.
Oh,
Damn.
sorry. Dude, the fact that that's a boat is crazy. No! Look at the front. Looks like a Corvette. Or a Ferrari.
Oh.
It's one of them.
It looks kind of like a vet.
Oh, I am so sorry. PG-13. Don't have me recording.
I see.
I'll turn this off.
What is good, y'all boys? As you can see, we got the Z right here. This video should be coming out after I revealed it, so me recording ain't nothing too serious. As you can see right now, I still waiting on my rear bumper from Rod Speed, but the car is almost done, bro. I've been doing the side skirts in 2 pieces. It's still like bubbling up and stuff, so I gotta fix it. I just did that real quick because I had drove it to Miami last night and I took some pictures. Came out pretty nice, and yeah, bro. So I just did that quick though, so I could throw on the extensions. And thank God I threw on the extensions because I threw the Z stocks on the back, and that rear is definitely lower, and that rear is definitely scraping. So happy I did that because them side skirts could have got cooked real easy last night. As y'all can see, we got a new front bumper too. I need to finish wrapping that, but I'm in talks with some guy because he wants to trade. Long story short, I'm just waiting on him to wrap that. And yeah, bro, it's coming out nice though. Definitely coming along nice. Got the Q over there, just vibing. But yeah, today, obviously while y'all here, I'm about to throw on the angle kit. Got a bolt-on angle kit from GKTech. Let me pull it out. Yeah, we got the bolt-on angle kit from GKTech. Honestly, I don't even remember opening it up. I think I opened it up like once, but that junk was so long ago because I've had this angle kit for about 3 months now, I think. And I just been neglecting to put it on because, you know, I had so much other stuff to take care of, like sanding down the car, you know, wrapping and all this. But we're damn near done. I'm about to get the roof wrapped black in 2 days. And then I can do the A-pillars. I already have the A-pillars. I just want them to wrap the roof before I throw them on because once some A-pillars go on, bro, they are not coming off. I'm going to 3M tape the hell out of them and make sure them jumps do not go nowhere. But even then, too, I'm not sure because this window doesn't go down. And you know, like with coupes, especially like pillarless coupes, when you open the door, the window's supposed to like go down a little bit so it doesn't hit that. Yeah, right, so it's a whole little thing. So I got to figure that out. But yeah, you got this bolt-on angle kit. Yeah, see, I haven't opened up nothing. I've been watching videos hella trying to figure out what I need to do, but this honestly shouldn't take me long at all. Let me go ahead and turn the wheel on. Turn the wheel for y'all so y'all can see what we got now, and then we'll see what we got after I go ahead and throw it on. Alright, so right here is about full lock, which is pretty decent, I feel like, but driving wise, I don't think it is. What the hell? Am I blinker on? But yeah, could be a lot better. So got a little before, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the after. I'm gonna go ahead and get up under the car. Shouldn't take too long. One thing I worry about is my alignment. That's why I've been so hesitant to do this, bro. But let me go ahead and get to it now.
Yeah, that was a learning curve in the G, no joke.
Recently picked up a new fuel pump, ordered it in the whole assembly. I don't know if I talked about it already, but yeah, I've been getting like mean ass fuel cut issues in the Z, bro. So I had to try to figure it out, bro, because it's actually getting ridiculous now. It's pretty much getting annoying. Usually, like when the Z is low on fuel, I'll get like I try to gas it, like, I don't know. It's weird to explain, but like, yeah, bro. Like I can tell it's like a fuel cut issue, and I don't know. Like it's really weird, bro. But happily I finally got that. That shouldn't be too bad to install. I'm about to go ahead and do that right now. Also, we have material for the headliner for the Z. I went ahead and laid it out and cut it yesterday. So I wasn't gonna do it tonight, but I definitely need a second hand, and my lady not here, so probably do it, I don't know, another day. I ain't gonna say tomorrow because it might not be then, but probably some other day. But yeah, go ahead and get that headliner. We're gonna also do the A-pillars. Have that junk looking for me all icy. So I can't wait for that. Yeah, bro. I really wanna get that fuel pump in, take it out for a drive, see how it feels. Cause if it's not a fuel pump, I gotta figure out what the hell it is. But a new fuel pump would not hurt. I've been feeling like it's a fuel pump for the longest, so I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, that's the old pump. You can see kind of cooked. I wouldn't, well, I don't know, but and that O-ring there. And low-key, this part was a little bit different on the new one, so I don't know how I feel about that. But maybe this was the wrong pump. I wouldn't be surprised because this car came with the wrong headlights. I ain't even finna get into that, but it came with a lot of the wrong shit. So like, I wouldn't be surprised if this was the wrong pump, like maybe like a D pump. Everything went pretty smooth for the most part. I found a whole bunch of rust though. What I noticed, put a picture right here though. I found a whole lot of rust inside the tank. Didn't look too good, so I assume maybe that's really the cause of my issue. But I'm still about to go ahead and start the car and go drive it. Honestly, don't know where my GoPro is, so I'm sorry y'all gonna have to miss out on this drive. But yeah, bro, I'm pretty sure it's probably that rest in the tank. But we finna go take it for a drive, let it warm up, rip on it, get on it, see what happens. I'm probably gonna replace the O-ring too, so I might have to go back into the tank. Yeah, we gonna see what's gonna happen. I don't know if I talked about it already. Sure, I probably did, but if I didn't, got some material. It's almost like a suede velvet type of material. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the headliner of the Z. I've been to this out, but now I'm finally gonna say fuck it and just go for it. Let me do a dolo. I'll also do the A-pillars on it too. One A-pillar though, the clips are like dumb broken, so I don't think I'm gonna waste my time on that one. But yeah, I'm gonna take out the other one though one of these days and then do that. But I've been like low-key hesitating to do this because I'm not sure like where to even start. But I might just say fuck it and just go for it, so everybody's gonna see the results. Alright, so this is the finished product. That's what it's looking like, all nice and smooth. I messed up right here. It ended up being too short, so I had to like grab another piece and kind of slap it on. But it's alright, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully it holds. I put mad glue on this junk, so I think it'll hold. The only part that isn't like fully on is like right here, cause it's kind of like stretched out. But even then though, like I said, how it's stretched, I don't think it should be an issue. But yeah, tucked it pretty nice, I say. I did an alright job for the first time, so really praying it holds up, bro, cause this junk was not, well, I mean, I wouldn't say it was hard, but that glue was hella sticky, bro. It's like, once you put it on, bro, ain't no going back. So, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and throw this back in the car. I wanna go ahead and paint the sun visors too, but I think it'll hold up without them for now, so see how it go. Dog, I just put it back in the car, bro. This junk came out even better than I thought it would look. Oh my gosh. Now you can already see the little peaks of red. Sheesh. Bro, you can't tell me this ain't tough, dog. I just need some red buckets really to go with it. Or even just some buckets period, like some more Carls or something. But man, this junk looks so clean, bro. You can kind of see from outside the car. Dog, that junk looks so tough, bro. Cause it's crazy, bro. Literally just seeing the vision come together, bro. Like literally, like when I was rebuilding this, I was just like, yeah, right now I want to do gray. I know I want to do a red headliner, bro, and came out even better than I thought it would be. Shit. I also want to do the door cars too. Probably gonna do like an insert red and then the rest of it like a suede black. I don't know fully what I want to do yet, but seeing this come out how it did, oh, I'm so hyped, bro. I can't wait to finish it. Well, I mean, I'm damn near done. I just gotta do the bumpers really now and the other A-pillar. But I gotta figure out why the windows don't go down automatically when you open the door, and I think that might have something to do with not having the door cylinder. I don't know, we'll see. But man, this junk looks so tough, bro. Like, I'm in shock, bro. You can't tell me this not icy, dog. Fire!